So it's been quite a few years since I know Prayas, and it's been amazing only for the reason because I never thought that a friend could turn into my husband someday.
Priyanka to me has always meant like a sense of security as a friend, also as a partner once we were in a relationship. I have always looked up to her to solve any of my problems, to just to discuss out anything that I ever wanted to. And she would always be there as a calming person for me.
And it's been a roller coaster ride for us because we never thought we'd be ending up here. Our personalities were very different, but there was something about him that just kept me glued on to him. And I just knew since the day I met him and I felt the way I did that this is the guy I want to be with.
She's always been very chirpy. I'm not someone who expresses much. I'm just like a very shy kind of a person. Maybe a bit extrovert, obviously, but even about my personal life, I'm not someone who comes out and speaks things about my life.
There were many instances that came, that really made me sure that, he is the person for me and he completes me in every way possible. The only person who probably understood my weaknesses well was there to correct them when it needed to be, made me grow as a person. The way he handles both of us and the stability that he brought into this relationship was amazing. So there were many times that maybe I would hesitate, but he was always grounded and said that we can make things work.
तेरी ही बोली बोलूंगी मैं, तेरी ही बानी गाऊंगी मैं, तेरे इश्क दा चोला पहन के मैं तुझ में ही रंग जाऊंगी, तेरे इश्क दा चूड़ा पहन के मैं तुझ में सज जाऊंगी, मैं नचदी फिरां बन ठन बलिया हो, मैं नचदी फिरां छम छम छलिया हो,
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much for being there for me, being there for us, and being so loving, being so caring, and you've always ensured that I am there for you and you are there for me. But since all of these years which have been a turmoil, you've always been that glue that I required to be in this relationship, and finally we've made it. So
कहती है दुनिया मैं हूँ बावरिया, खुद से गई मैं, खुद से गई मैं, तेरी हो गई मैं, पर जब क्या जाने मन के फसाने, खोकर खुद को पाकर तुझको मेरी हो गई मैं, तेरी नगरिया जाऊंगी मैं, तेरी नजरिया वारूंगी मैं, तेरे इश्क दा चोला पहन के मैं
uncle, auntie, okay, not uncle, auntie. I'll have to call you mom and dad now. So, mom and dad, what I would now say is that, in the hindsight of things and, looking back, you guys have been very, very supportive of me and Priyanka right from day one. You've trusted Priyanka's choice, and I hope I can just stand tall to it. I'll ensure that I'll keep her happy, and she'll never face issues in her life for sure, till the time I'm there for her.
Mummy and daddy, my new mummy and daddy, they've accepted me right from the day I met them. I never thought they're going to be so warm with me, considering that, we had different backgrounds, but there was not even one day when I felt that, I wasn't a part of them. And any day I would call mom, she would talk to me as if I am just her daughter. We would have long conversations for an hour, 2 hours. And probably I just never felt that, I'm talking to somebody who's my mother-in-law. I felt like she was just a mother, and she was very, very warm to me. And I know it's just going to be better. So I am very, very glad that they're a part of my life. Prayas, I love you very much, and this is the best decision I could have ever made, and I will never regret it, because you are the most amazing person in my life, and I definitely don't see anybody else, and our life is together forever.